Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the second POV video. I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to do more POV videos a lot sooner. Unfortunately, I had a bad turbo, so I had to get a new one, and I also had to get a tune as well, so it was worth it. I got a turbo that spools a lot faster now. It's an 18K FP turbo. And also I got a new exhaust, so it sounds a lot louder than it was before. The exhaust before wasn't doing it for me. It was ETS quiet. It wasn't a bad sounding exhaust, but to me, obviously, it's in the name. It's too quiet for me. So I got a single exit HKS exhaust, and man, it sounds great. So, man, I love the sound of the car now. I don't know why I didn't get a single exit before. I know a lot of people prefer dual exit exhaust and, leave the single exit exhaust for Evo 8s and 9s, but preferably I like the single exit exhaust on the 10s. So, let's enjoy the ride. I'm on E85 right now. It's pushing about 412 on pump, and it's pushing about the same horsepower as was before. 463 is probably like, I don't know, 7-8 horsepower numbers off from what it was before, but it doesn't really make a difference. Still the same feel and a lot of fun. So let's get into it. Love the sound of this car, bro. Now I'm looking. This car spools at about 2,500 RPM. It's insane. That's some fast spooling. Crazy because before, if I do a first gear pull in the last tune that I had, another turbo, it'd be nice, but this one I'm spinning in first, and I did not spin in first last time. Crazy. Something fell. I don't even know what fell. Let me grab it. Oh shit. It's the fucking e-brake piece. boy was getting squealy. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was a diesel Ford. Just slid. The fact that this exhaust doesn't sound super obnoxious, and what I mean by that is, like, it's not raspy. I know a lot of cars that get, you know, very loud exhaust and it gets very raspy. This has a nice tone to it. Now I will admit, when it comes to Evo 10s or even Evo 8s and 9s, the 5-speed on a highway is very annoying. It's probably the only thing I don't really like about this car is the 5-speed on a highway. Also, I could push this up to 8K RPM, but as told to my tuner, I wouldn't do that all the time. That's just less life on this motor, and I'm not looking to get another motor. And if that is the case, I'm either gonna sell it or build the absolute hell out of it. That would be the second option. But honestly, would I ever see me doing 1,000 horsepower in this car? No. No. At most, I'd see myself doing 650 at the most. My goal has always been 500 wheel horsepower. Obviously, once you build the car and you're able to get more torque out of it, it's gonna feel a lot faster than 500 horsepower on a stock block. It's just, it makes that much of a difference. So that's what I'm looking for. 500 wheel horsepower, 550, a lot more torque. You really don't want to push up to 400 torque on these motors stock. Safe to say, I wouldn't do no more than 400 torque. Well, guys, I hope you guys like this video, man. This is just a little warm-up to what's to come. Do a lot more videos, a lot more rolling at nighttime. Definitely at the nighttime, it's a lot different atmosphere, a lot less people outside. So please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course the first video. I'll see you on the next one.